Once again, the Hollywood box office has sent out an amazing compilation of fantasy action scenes, involving numerous cliches, near-death experiences that make absolutely no sense, time travel, a mobilized world in mechanized war, and aliens. Without further ado, presenting a busy work physics project entailing the horrible scientific inaccuracies of The Edge of Tomorrow. Oh, and by the way, there's spoilers. And of the numerous sins against Scientology, or science, this video shall only cover 6 main points in this movie, because that's literally the minimum a certain group needs to pass on a project. Really quick introduction. There's 2 main characters. One of them is Tom Cruise, another one is Emily Blunt. This man kills an alien and then gets time travel powers to relive the day over and over and over again until he defeats an alien invasion.
Topic number 1. Aliens. The whole concept of this movie revolves around an alien invasion which the humans have waged war upon for years. A supreme alien race has barely gotten through Europe. Nice try, Hollywood. It makes sense that the humans are the only weakness. Why would they invade? Also, a meteor that is the base of the invasion falls in Russia in 2013, not Germany like they said in the movie. These actions completely defy the sense of intelligence and violate basic logical science and psychology.
Topic number 2, the Powersuits. Where did it begin? This massive suit, which is hydraulically operated to take a massive load of stress and damage, have weapon systems, and give mega strength. 1, has the smallest hydraulic pumps. 2, runs off a battery the size of a Kindle. And 3, doesn't protect humans from fall damage. Imagine this. Imagine falling from this quadrocopter, which is to be talked about in a moment, and being alive. Yes, one bones aren't broken. Maybe. But a person's internal organs should have imploded inside them from stopping so fast, hitting the ribcage and skull, maybe even concussion and brain death, but definitely internal bleeding and crushed lungs. Basically, they're dead weight with this thing. Same problems as the Iron Man suit.
Topic number 3. In this scene, which happens to appear a lot in the movie, how does this quadricopter stay in the air this long if it's basically being shredded? Mathematically, to take this thing down, all anyone would need to do is get one propeller, or the gas tank, or the pilots. And yet, this flying fortress manages to get completely shredded in every non-vital area. Even still, the balance of this craft should be off by so much that it'd begin to capsize. Any engineering undergraduate would understand this.
Topic number 4. The anatomical structure of these aliens is so horribly bizarre. I mean, are they an electric octopus? Why the bioluminescence? Their blood immediately hardens to some kind of stone or metal. They have hovering portions of their body floating around them at all times. This isn't even possible. They've got to try harder.
Number 5, the combat. How is this even possible? This just makes no sense. How can 20 people shooting at the same thing who have trained with this technology intensively miss? Not to mention the one guy who spent the whole time trying to turn off the safety.
Safety! My safety! How do I get my safety?
Fires twice and kills it. And this awesome paddle of death that Emily Blunt carries around, why doesn't everyone else have one of these? Not to mention, insert joke about storming the French coastline here, i.e. Normandy.
Finally, the pinnacle of Hollywood stupidity is the time travel in this movie. Yeah, time travel is theoretically possible and has been mathematically proven under numerous universal and interdimensional models of this universe, but organically. As in basically a flower. A big blue flower under the Louvre not only controls all of these organisms with a hive behavior, but can reset a whole day, as in take everything back in time. It's completely impossible that one organic being could single-handedly have the power to reverse time. Now, obviously there are many more subjects in the movie which baffle scientists around the world, but for now we will stop there, because honestly we don't have a good ending, just like this movie. I mean, seriously. He kills the time-traveling flower and goes back not 1, but 2 whole days to the start of the movie. I'm done.